In today's video guys, I'm going to reveal to you a clever technique which you can use to maximize your earnings right here with CPA marketing. And this is going to be an amazing strategy which you can do right here even as a beginner in the year 2023 and beyond, and start making some cool amount of income with CPA marketing. And without more delay of time, let's just simply dive right in today's video. So first things first, you want to come right here to a CPA marketing platform such as the CPAGrip, and you want to make sure you do go on to creating an account. If you click on register, go on to filling out the form which will be shown and create your account right there. And if you do go on to logging into your account, you should be brought to a dashboard that will look similar to this. And once you're brought to this dashboard guys, you want to just simply go onto the monetization tools, click on URL file lockers, and actually do go on to creating a URL file locker by clicking on create new URL file locker. Read through the terms of services and agree to that right here. You could then just simply click on continue and start editing your URL file locker. Alright guys, to edit your URL file locker, you want to come right here to this template section and actually do go on to selecting any template of your choice. As you can see, there are some cool templates right here which you can make use of. I'm just going to use the capture template right now. If I do select that, I'm going to head back to general and give this particular locker a name. So once I do give this locker a name right here guys, you want to just simply edit this page based on your preference right here. And in this section guys, you could just simply put in the link to the ebook which you want to go on to promoting, because we're going to be using an ebook right now. So what you're going to do right here guys, that you want to just simply edit this header text which says complete the capture below to go on to downloading or complete an offer below to download ebook for free. And right here guys, like I said, you want to put in the link to your ebook, and I'm going to show you how you can actually do go on to setting that up. You want to leave this page open right now, and you want to just simply head onto this platform right here which is called the plrdatabase.net. And if you do head onto this platform, it's a platform where you can get some cool ebooks right here to go on to downloading for free. And guys, for this section right here, you can see that there are some ebooks you can go on to downloading, but you're actually going to go on to paying. And for you to get the free ebook, just come right here, click on this marketplace right now. You want to come right here and click on free products. And if you do click on free products guys, you will be taken to this page where you can see a lot of free ebooks which you can actually do go on to downloading. As you can see right now, these are free ebooks right here which you can download for absolutely free. All you want to do right now is to select one of these right here, and if I do go on to selecting this ebook right now, this ebook is actually the profiting from product creation, and you can see more details about this ebook if you do scroll through. Right now I'm just going to click on download right here and do sign up to this platform. And once you do sign up to this platform, you can just simply download this ebook on your device. And you can see right here guys, the ebook size is just about 2 MB right here, or 2 megabytes right now, which you can just simply go to downloading right now. So once this ebook has actually been downloaded, you then want to head on to this platform right here which is called the digistore24.com to actually go on to getting an affiliate marketing product which you can promote alongside that ebook right now. And if you want to just simply go onto the marketplace right here, once you create an account on this platform, you want to make sure you do go into selecting the e-marketing or email marketing, or you could just select this internet marketing and e-business niche, which is actually the make money online niche, where you can actually do go on to seeing a lot of products right here which you can actually go on to promoting right now. As you can see right here, this is actually the $1 million replicator right here. You can see a lot more other products right now, and supposing I do want to promote this product right here, I can just simply click on promote now and actually do go on to getting my unique affiliate link to this product right here. So once you do get your unique affiliate link to this product, if you successfully promote this product right here, you do get about $44.83 for every successful lead which you do get to this product right here. So what you want to do right now is that you want to just simply get the affiliate link to this product, head on to this particular platform right now which is called the searchdat.com, and actually do go on to editing that PDF. And to edit that, you want to just simply come right here, click on edit PDF, because it's absolutely free. You want to go on to uploading that PDF right here from your device. So guys, supposing I do upload that PDF right here guys, I'm just going to scroll down to the first page. And you can see right here that I am at the footer of the first page right now. What you want to do is that you want to just simply go on to adding a text. And to add a text, I could just simply add a text such as make $10,000 per month as a beginner. And once I do that right here, guys, I'm just going to come right here, click on this link section. And right now, I'm just going to go on to highlighting this section right here. Once I do that, and if I highlight this section, you can see this section which says link to external URL. You want to put in the URL to that particular Digistore 24 offer right here, which you did get on this platform, which is this AZ code. And if you do get that link right now, you want to just simply copy the link and head back to this platform, go on to paste that link right there in that particular section, and then you want to just simply click on enter. And now what this actually does is that once somebody click on this section right here, it's automatically going to take them to that particular Digistore 24 offer for them to go on to purchasing that product right now. So you want to just simply put that on every single page of this ebook right now. You could just simply go on to adding that in this section right here, exactly the same stuff. Add that on every single page of this ebook. Then once you're done, click on apply changes, and you can see that your ebook is being processed right now. You then want to just simply go on to clicking on download, and this particular ebook will be downloaded on your device. So once that has been downloaded on your device right now, you then want to just simply head on to this platform right here, which is called the Google Drive. And if you do head on to the drive.google.com, you want to just simply go on to uploading that ebook right here. Once you do upload that ebook to a folder, all you have to do is to click on share right now, and you can then just simply go on to copying the link to that particular ebook right here. Once you copy that, head back to your URL file locker which you were creating earlier, and actually do go on to pasting that link right here. If you're pasting the link right now, guys, you can then just simply go on to clicking on save, and your URL file locker right now has actually been created. So this particular strategy will actually help you make money with CPA marketing and also with affiliate marketing or Digistore 24 right here, because you are actually maximizing your income right here, which you do get with this strategy. You're going to be earning in two simple and cool ways right here using this simple strategy. So to head on further, guys, you want to just simply click on get link and actually copy the link to your landing page or your URL file locker right now. Once you copy that link, you want to just simply go to creating a landing page on any landing page builder site out there. You could use the Systemi.io, the Pretty Cloud, the site Google site or Google.com, otherwise known as the Google site, or any other landing page builder site out there. But I can actually go on to using this simple platform which is called a Linktree to actually go on to creating a Linktree right now. If I do log into my account, I'm just going to come right here, click on add link, paste in that particular link to that product right now, that URL file locker, click on add, and you then want to just simply go on to changing the name right here to something like this, which says make $10,000 as a beginner. And if you do that right here, you can go onto this appearance section to go on to changing the logo right here. You could also change in this particular section which you see right here in this preview section, change it to something suitable that will actually look attractive right now. And once you do that, simply click on share, copy your Linktree link, and then go on to trying as much as possible to drive a lot of traffic to this particular Linktree. And if you do that right here, you want to just simply take advantage of this platform which is called twitter.com, and you want to just simply come right here, just simply go on to writing a simple tweet right now. So right now you can see this simple post right here which says make $10,000 per month as a beginner, start an online business with these 3 simple steps and start making $300 per day, and download this free ebook and learn more. And you can see this section which says click here to download. All you actually have to do is to come right here and insert your Linktree link, which I'm just going to come right here, copy the link again, head onto this platform and paste in that link right now. So once that link has actually been pasted right here, guys, for as many people that do go on to seeing this post will go on to liking or clicking on that particular Linktree link to go on to purchasing or getting that particular ebook for absolutely free. And guys, they're gonna get that ebook for free after going through your content locker, which if they do that and complete some offers, you do make money. And if they do download that ebook right there, they're also gonna go on to seeing your unique link right there, your call to action to your Digistore 24 offer right now, which is also going to help you attract a lot of traffic to your Digistore 24 offer right now, and you start making money if they do go to purchasing this product right here. So you can see that this is an amazing strategy which you want to use right now, and you want to also make sure that you do use cool and amazing hashtags with this particular post right here that is actually going to help this post trend right here on Twitter. And if you do that, guys, you also want to just simply try out this particular platform right here, which is called the likeforlike.org, to actually help you go on to boosting your social media presence right here, or this particular Twitter tweet which you want to just simply use to drive traffic to your CPA marketing offers. And you can see that the likeforlike.org actually gets likes, followers from real users, and it's actually free, and they support all major social media networks right here. And guys, you can just simply go on to using this platform right here to boost your social media presence right here by just simply asking people to go on to retweeting that particular tweet, and you're going to be giving them simple credits right now. And the credits, guys, you actually earn them from just simply doing some simple micro tags on this particular platform, and it is quite amazing right there. You want to just simply join the community right here, and you do get a startup bonus of 30 credits, and you can actually add the social network page you want to promote. You could buy credits and get free credits also by liking and following other content. Then you could also go on to getting followers and likes to that particular social media network which you want to just simply use right there. So this actually helps you boost your Twitter tweet right here, and this actually been proven to work right here on Twitter. You could also take advantage of this platform right here, which is called the Pinterest.com, to actually try as much as possible to drive traffic to your CPA marketing offers or that particular ebook right here, as you can then just simply go on to grabbing a cool image right here which you want to use for your Pinterest pin, and go on to uploading that particular pin right here. As you can see right now, a lot of people are actually do go on to uploading images right here with a link right now. As you can see, this actually has a link, this has a link right here, this also has a link. You want to just simply come right here, click on create pin, and you can then just simply go on to uploading that image right here, add a title, add a description, and right here in destination link, you want to put in the link to your URL file locker right here. And in doing so, once you go into publishing that, you'll be able to drive also a lot of traffic right here. And Pinterest will get about 1 billion visits every single month, so take advantage of such traffic to start making money online with CPA marketing, and in conjunction with Digistore 24 right here. So guys, that's it for now. I hope this video is actually helpful to you. If yes, smash the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.